Welcome to learning NCC subjects with Captain Vinod Varakal, Company Commander to Koithari Kerala Battalion, NCC, St. Joseph's College, Devgiri, Kozhikode, Kerala. Today we look at the possible questions from military history, and there are 15 marks questions. We also look at the possible questions that can come from communication. A total of 10 marks are asked from the section on communication. First, we will look at the military history question. First question: which are the operations of war after independence of India? First, Kashmir operation of 1947-48, China aggression of 1962, Indo-Pak War of 1965, and Indo-Pak War of 1971, and the Kargil War of 1999. Now write a short note on the Kargil operation of 1999. It's a 7 marks question. More than a generation old dispute which has been both the cause and effect of discord in the Indian subcontinent has once again come into the limelight during the Kargil War of 1999, and Kargil insurgency worsened during the month of May 1999. Indian force announced Operation Vijay for cleaning the Pakistani militants on July 17, 1999. Defense Minister announced in New Delhi that Pakistan intruders have vacated Indian territory and the war in Kargil came to an end with Indian domination, or rather Indian control of the Kargil area. Now we have next question, 5 marks question. Write down the names of 5 neighboring countries of India. It's a question that comes quite often. The neighboring countries of India are 5 in number. Number 1, Pakistan; 2, China; 3, Bangladesh; 4, Sri Lanka; and 5, Myanmar. Now we have another question on the communication section. The first question is: what are the components of communication? The components of communication are source, message, receiver, channel, feedback, linguistic barriers, psychological barriers, environmental barriers, sender and receiver related issues, content related and method related issues. Now we have a 5 marks question, that is: write a short note on electronic media. Electronic media are that use electronics or electromechanical energy for the end user audience to access the content. This is in contrast to static media, mainly print media, which today are most often created electronically, but do not require electronics to be accessed by the end user in the printed form. Broadcast or storage media that takes advantage of electronic technology. They may include television, radio, internet, fax, CD-ROMs, DVDs, and any other medium that requires electricity or digital encoding of information. The term electronic media is often used in contrast with print media. Okay, with this we come to the end of the discussion of all the possible questions from NCC subjects in the NCC B and C certificate examination. We have in the previous series of 12 video lectures discussed almost all the questions that can come from different sections like drill, weapons training, miscellaneous subjects, the NCC subjects, national integration, personality and leadership skills, disaster management, social awareness, community development, health and hygiene, adventure training, environment awareness and conservation, obstacle training. Then of course specialized subjects like armed forces, map reading, fieldcraft and battlecraft, and introduction to weapons and equipment, military history and communication. So now it's up to the cadets to study very well in the coming NCC B and C certificate examinations and ensure that you get an alpha in your certificate examination. Remember the validity of the NCC certificate is permanent, and this certificate is going to help you in future to accomplish all your dreams, work hard, and reach the shores of success. Thanks a lot for listening. May God bless you.